हाँ जी, सत श्री अकाल साਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ यारो। ਅੱਜ ਦਾ जो टॉपिक है वीडियो का है कि लैट पुल डाउन किद्दां करदी है। लोग कन्फ्यूज हो जाते हैं, लाइक एज अ बिगनर दे डोंट नो हाउ टू डू इट, एंड ट्रेनर्स नूं भी ਇਹਦਾ जवाब समझ नहीं आता, क्योंकि होंदा कि लोग जाते हैं जिम च और दे गो ऑन यूट्यूब, सो दे सी लाइक पीपल डूइंग lat pull downs in different grips. Somebody doing it like wide, close, sometimes they're narrow, sometimes they're doing underarms, sometimes they're using another grip. तो जो बिगिनर होंगे ना वो कन्फ्यूज हो जाते कि भी वो केड़ी करन, एंड जो ट्रेनर नूं पुछदे है ट्रेनर नूं भी पता नहीं है, एंड देयर सेफ आंसर इज दैट दे आर डूइंग रॉन्ग, आई एम टेलिंग यू द राइट थिंग. बट एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट कोई भी गलत नहीं कर रहा, एज लॉन्ग एज यू हिट योर मसल्स राइट, डजेंट मैटर वट ग्रिप इट इज़, क्योंकि हर कोई अपनी बॉडी के हिसाब नाल अपने मसल नूं ट्रेन करता. आई डू ऑल द ग्रिप्स बिकॉज समटाइम आई वांना hit the different fibers of my back, the different fibers or different muscle on my back. Sometimes I wanna hit middle of the back, sometimes I wanna hit the outer of the back, sometimes I wanna hit more traps on my back. So I do face pull or like I lean back more. तो लेकिन ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ कि एक नया बंदा कन्फ्यूज हो जाता, ਉਹਨੂੰ समझ नहीं आती कि ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ बेस्ट ਕਿਹੜੀ है. So I'm over here in this video, I'm not gonna tell you what is wrong and what is right, but I'm going to show you what is the most appropriate way of doing lat pull down for a beginner, like someone who starts the gym, someone who doesn't know the basics. So I'm here to teach the basics. So first I'm going to show you where you should hold it up and what basic principle you have to follow. So in this, since you cannot do the chin ups or pull ups, so in basic movement of lat pull down is you have to mimic the movement of your pull-ups, chin-ups. जो chin-ups करते हैं ना, ओदी movement नु mimic करना है. So first I'm gonna show you where to hold it from. First you have to adjust this thing. You gotta make sure your feet is like 90 degrees over here. You're gonna make sure this is 90 degrees, and then you're gonna measure this thing from here, from shoulder, front delt. This is front delt, this is the side delt, and this is rear delt. Okay, so front delt you have to measure it here, and this is going to be your grip, like right here when it turns for a beginner. So you have to grip it here. Okay, some people try to grip it from here, from fingers. No, ऐसा नहीं करना, पूरी grip लेनी है ऐसा, and grip it here, sit down. Now check out the rope. जड़ी रस्सी है उन्हें check out करो. It's gonna come straight down. Exhale. Right here. Don't go all the way. ऐसा नहीं करना. Right here. To your lips is fine. And look at my elbows. Look at my elbows. They're coming straight down. They're not going right here. ऐਵੇਂ नहीं करना. This is right here because this is the movement of chin-ups. Chin-ups अगर तुसी करने की कोशिश करोगे तो ਤੁਹਾਡੀ elbows naturally they come straight towards your pocket. See the pocket? They come straight to your pocket. It won't go here, it won't go here. This is the basic movement you have to mimic. Keep your back straight and then pull down. And look my elbows, they are not going here. So, but you can, once you know the basic, you can do this. You can do this, whatever fiber you want to hit your muscles, according to your goal, according to your training, you can do that. But I hope ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਹੁਣ ਸਮਝ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਹੋਣਾ ਕਿ as a beginner how you should start, where you should grip, measure here, this is the grip, and this is how you're going to pull. The movement of the chin-ups, pull straight, squeeze your back is going to squeeze. That's it. Okay, go. So this is, yeah, if you want you can tilt a little bit back. Now check the from here, foot is completely in contact with the ground. This knee is 90 degrees. Now this is 90 degrees. And then keep your elbows up front towards the pocket. Try to bring your elbows towards the pocket. Yeah. That's good. Now let me show the chin-ups movement, how it's done, okay? Then you'll have a better understanding. Thank you. Now watch my hands and elbow, how they are moving. The same movement ਅਸੀਂ ਫਿਰ lat pull down ਚ ਦੱਸਾਂਗਾ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ. See where my elbows are? Towards my pocket. Towards my pocket. ਹੁਣ ਇਹਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਹੱਥ ਐਵੇਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਲੈਟ ਪੁੱਲ ਡਾਊਨ ਐਵੇਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਯੂ ਗੋਨਾ ਗੋ ਸਟ੍ਰੇਟ ਅਪ ਇੱਧਰੋਂ ਦੀ ਲੈ ਲਓ ਲੁੱਕ ਫਰਮ ਫਰੰਟ this is going to be your grip like ਇੰਨਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਆ right this is right here your elbows right here it's not here ਐਵੇਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੱਥ ਐਵੇਂ ਹੈ ਇੰਨੀ ਦੂਰ and this is going to be your grip up there right now pull look at my elbows this comes here 90 degrees right and nahi squeeze karna basically when you do exercise don't focus on stretching your muscle you have to focus on squeezing them so when you do this you squeeze your rhomboid muscles. Rhomboid is a group of muscles and your latimus, dorsi. These are latimus. So V taper anda na, V taper. So this is chin up is squeezing those. You don't have to go all the way up. When you feel the squeeze right here on 90 degree, this is good enough. So basic movement and most safe way of doing it for a starter is just go 90 degrees and squeeze and hold and then come.